Hey guys, today we're gonna be talking about erasing backgrounds. Yeah, taking images from their actual background and doing all kind of stuffs with them. Well, basically there are 3 different methods you could use to accomplish this on PicsArt: the auto cutout, the erase method, and the third method, which will be revealed in this video. First, let's just take a quick look at these other 2 methods. The auto cutout is actually the fastest method. It just automatically erases the background, leaving behind the area you need, after you must have traced it. So basically all you have to do is execute finish touches. The only problem with this method is that it kinda diminishes the quality of the image. The second method, the erase method. Well, this method is not quite a fast method, but it preserves the quality of the image. It involves an actual erase of the background, gently and carefully using an eraser. This would be done on the picture layer. The main flaw of this method is that you could accidentally erase the wrong part. Well, most times you may notice it on time, and just simply undo. But in some cases you may not. You may conclude erasing the background just to find out you actually made a mistake, and won't be able to undo enough times to correct the mistake. Then you would have no choice but to restart the project. That brings us to the main point of this video. To show you the best way actually to erase a background from an image. It's not a common method anyway. In this method, you actually paint the background using a paintbrush tool, not an erase tool. You must ensure you are working on an empty layer, not the picture layer. I consider it the best method because it kinda combines the other 2 methods. Although, it's not a quick method as well, but it is worth the time. It maintains the quality of the image, and if you were to make a mistake at any point in time, whenever you notice the mistake you could just erase the section. You know you are actually just painting on an empty layer. So, you could erase at any point in time and the picture wouldn't be affected. When you're done painting the background, you simply apply XOR on that layer and it will automatically erase every section that was painted. That's it, folks. Now, you could easily add the photo on any desired new background. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.